Hello adventurer, welcome to the Scratch Quest. Today is day 3 of learning math from scratch, and today we'll be learning about placeholders. I want to give these topics a separate video because this topic was so simple yet a complex one that people tend to forget about. So here it is. So for example, you can see in the screen there is a number 2, 3, 4. Most people pronounce it as 234. Why is that? Because of the thing called placeholder. If there was no placeholder, it would just be called 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's make it clearer. Imagine placeholder as a box that stores groups of numbers, and the number of value a box can store increases by 10 as it goes to left and decreases as it goes to right. So in the first box it can store only group of 1 from 0 to 9. Let's imagine a box. Let's add 1 apple. Let's add 2 apple then. Now we have 3 apple. Let's add 5 apple. Now we have 8 apples. Now let's add 1 apple. We have 9 apple. Okay, let's add another one. We can't add another one. Why? Because it can only keep group of 1. 10 is not group of 1. Now here is the problem. We cannot keep 10 of the apple in the basket where we can only keep group of 1. So what we do is keep the 10 apple in the group of 10. Then it becomes placeholder just like this, where the first digit is 0 and after that is 1, meaning there is one group of 10, there is 10 apple. It doesn't mean here as the other number like 9, 8 became 0. It doesn't mean the apple has gone. It just means it has gone to another basket. Let's say we have 11 apple. Now we have one group of 10 and one group of 1. Here is a visual of this, where 1 is a group of 10 and this one is a group of 1. If it was not of placeholder, 1 and 1 would be same, but due to placeholder, the first one has a placeholder or value of a 10 and the second one has a value of just 1. So placeholder gives value to the numbers. Now let's say we add more numbers. Rather than just limiting ourselves to 10, let's go to 99. This is the maximum number of 10s we can put in this basket. Now we go into the hundreds territory. Now let's see the example in the screen. 1, 2, 3. Here 1 represents that there is one group of 100. 2 represents there are 2 group of 10 and 3 represents there are 3 group of 1s. I will give you an calculation that will prove placeholder importance. For example, in this 1, 2, 3, I will multiply 1 with 100 as 1 is in 100 place. I will multiply 2 is in with 10 because it is in 10 place, and I will multiply lastly 3 with 1 because it is in 1 place. Now this will be given the result 123. Let's do more calculation so we understand better. 423. Here it means there are 4 group of 100, 2 group of 10 and 3 group of 1s. 636. Here it means there is 6 group of 100, 2 group of 10s and 6 group of 1s. This is the chart of placeholder so you can understand better. It starts with 1, goes to 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. I hope you understand. I'm also learning with you. So if you have any question or if I have done any mistakes, please be sure to call it out, and I will meet you in another video. Bye bye. The next video is decimals.